G'day, welcome to another episode of Team Axle Stance. Today is the day, I think it's the day. We've got the fuel pressure regulator put on and we're going to try and start this thing. So stick around and let's go. So we've just received the KTUNER. I've installed the headers on the ECU and put the board in. Run the USB out a little hole that I've made with a file in the side. We went KTUNER mainly because it's a budget build and this one's kind of cheaper. Cheaper not just for the board but cheaper for the ECUs that they go into as well. The difference is 02 to 04 kind of use the Honda KPro boards, whereas the 05, 06 ECUs use KTUNER. So I've gone 05, 06. The wiring is completely different for the engine as well, so you just need to be a bit careful with that. You can rewire looms and so forth, but I guess the whole kind of architecture of the board is different, and that's why there's two kind of distinct camps. One for KTUNER for these type of ECUs, and the other is the KPro, Honda KPro for the other style. So now we've got this in, we'll take it to the car and see if we can fire it up. So one more thing I should have shown you in the box. You obviously get the board and the USB cable. You also get a few inputs and outputs, which I won't be using straight away, maybe later, and a bunch of stickers. Obviously the hardware to mount it as well, but it's pretty basic kit and most of the information is available online, so they don't give you instruction manual or anything like that. Righty, so plugging in that ECU is pretty easy. You just have one plug from the conversion harness, which it goes on the left. You have one plug from, and then sorry, two plugs from the engine loom. One clips in there, and then the other one nice and short to make it easy, and the other one's here. Alrighty, so we've got the fuel pressure regulator, and I jerry rigged up a gauge I had just to set it. So it's set to 50 psi. I've uploaded a bass tune to it, so I don't know what else to do other than see if it actually runs. This is literally the first time it's not, yeah, if it doesn't run, this is what conversions are like. So make sure I'm in neutral. Yep. Oh, I think I know part of the problem. That won't help, having a rag in the throttle. And I might give it a little bit of accelerator as well, because I think this TPS is a bit funny. So let's try again. Now just having a quick look in KTUNER to see if I can see if there's anything funny. We're reading the right intake air temp now. Wideband's the only thing I haven't got plugged in. So for some monitors, might disable that one. I need to disable that one. So just going through the KTUNER, I noticed that we had the immobiliser enabled, so I've just disabled that. So hopefully that might do the trick. Let's get another crack. Actually, I've got to work out, have I uploaded that? Download base code. Upload base code. Connect. Upload tune. I think this takes a long time actually. Alright, so I've just uploaded that. I'm not sure whether I need to upload the map or not, but I've just uploaded it. So let's give it another shot. Oh, that almost went. I need a bit of accelerator. That's a wrap for another episode. Very happy to get this thing running. It's been a little while in the making. Next episode I've got some goodies from Japan, and we're also buttoning up some of the rest of this stuff before we can take it for a proper exhaust and then take it for a drive. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like the video, and see you next time. Cheers.